Hi everyone. Welcome back. In today's video, we're going to explore arithmetic operators and expressions in JavaScript. Whether you're a beginner or looking to brush up on your skills, this video will give you a solid understanding of these fundamental concepts. So let's get started. So, what exactly are expressions in JavaScript? In simple terms, an expression is any valid unit of code that resolves to a value. It could be a combination of variables, operators, and values that compiler evaluates to produce a result. Here's an example. Let x equals 5 plus 3. Semicolons are optional. Console.log x. Here, 5 plus 3 is an expression that evaluates to 8. The value 8 is then assigned to the variable x. Now, let's move on to operators. Operators are symbols or keywords that perform operations on variables and values. Well, there are 4 types of operators: arithmetic operators, comparison operators, logical operators, and assignment operators. Firstly, let's understand arithmetic operators. We'll also cover other types of operators in upcoming tutorials. In simple terms, these are used to perform mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. The common arithmetic operators in JavaScript are plus, minus, asterisk or star, slash or forward slash, modulus or percent, double asterisk or exponentiation. Let's create a variable, x. Assign it value, let's say 10. We will create one more variable, y. Assign it value 3. Let's add these two variables. Let addition equals x plus operator, y. Console.log addition. Let's check the results. So 10 plus 3 is equal to 13. Let's subtract them. Let subtraction equals x minus operator, y. Console.log subtraction. So 10 minus 3 is equal to 7. Let's perform multiplication. Let multiply equals x asterisk operator, y. Console.log multiply. So 10 times 3 is 30. Let's divide them. Let divide equals x forward slash y. Console.log divide. So 10 divided by 3 is 3.3333 and so on. Let's understand modulus operator. So basically, modulus operator returns the remainder. Let remainder equals x modulus operator, or you can also say a percent. Console.log remainder. As you can see, 10 is perfectly not divisible by 3, so the remainder will be 1. And the last arithmetic operator is double asterisk or exponentiation operator. The exponentiation operator calculates the result of a number raised to the power of another number. Let power equals x double asterisk y. Console.log power. So 10 raised to the power of 3 is 1000. And that's a wrap up on our tutorial on arithmetic operators in JavaScript. We'll cover rest of the operators in upcoming videos, so stick around with us. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more such tutorials. Thanks for watching.